Hi everyone, it's Helen Norton here on day 21 of my 30-day watercolour challenge, and what I've got in line for today is this little beauty. This is a bit more like my classic style that I have been doing for many decades. As you can see, it's just a cheeky little dog under a very, very bare tree, using washes and dramatic colours and that same dynamic weighted side, what they call the counterlever, with the big one and the little weight on the side. Just bright colours. I've kept it quite simple, not a lot of detail in the background, and I've done that on purpose because it gives a really nice, bold, strong, confident feeling. I've just popped it in this white frame because it just looks right. I'll just show you. Oh, hopefully it doesn't blow the camera out there. And as you can see, the white doesn't compete with the painting at all. The painting has got enough colour in it. It doesn't need any colourful border or colourful frame. That is just fine. Once again today, I'm not doing a lot of talking through the video, and as I keep reiterating, the first 18, 19 videos, I really do drill into all the techniques that I'm using, the washes and the whys and the wherefores. So really, if you want to get down into that detail, just go back and watch the whole playlist. I'll make sure there's a link for the playlist down below. Anyway, look at me, I'm talking too much. Let's get on with the video. Okay folks, that's it for now. If you want to see a little bit more about the techniques I'm using, I've popped a couple of videos up on the end screen here. If you go and chase those, they'll sort of, get you in the loop of things of how I was doing washes and so on and so on. But the ultimate tool is the 30-day playlist, which is now at day 21, soon to be 30. Links for the playlist are down below. I'd love to hear your comments and even tell me what you think about me not talking through the videos and just playing some nice music. I'm enjoying it, but let me know if you are. Okay, see you guys. See you tomorrow for day 22. Bye.